Welcome to the second video in the Savvy Man Reviews series. Today I'll be showing you how to safely purchase the Ripple cryptocurrency, which is making headlines at the moment. It seems to me to be slightly undervalued, but it can be difficult to get hold of. So one of the safest ways to store cryptocurrencies, especially ones vulnerable to hacks, is offline on a digital wallet such as this one. This is the Ledger Nano S. I've just recently purchased it from the Ledger website. So today I'll be showing you how I'm going to go about downloading the Ripple currency onto this. Please be aware that when you are buying cryptocurrencies, there is no guarantee that you'll make money on your investment, and equally you could lose all your money, so it's best to do it with some spare cash at this stage at least. One of the first steps is to go to start.ledgerwallet.com, and the first thing it asks you to do is to plug the Nano S in with the USB adapter that's supplied. So once you've just flicked the silver protective cover over, I've just connected in the USB cable to my laptop, and it's just come up with the words welcome on the screen. This device cost me around £60 to £70 on the Ledger website, and it was delivered really quickly. So the next step is just to use the buttons on the screen to select your own 8-digit PIN code using the two buttons on the top of the Ledger. If you press both buttons down, that's the confirm or select option. If you select left or right, that changes the inputs. So the next stage is just to write down 24 recovery phrases after you've done your 8-digit PIN. Your recovery phrases are given to you by the device, and then you confirm them back into the device. So I've just gone to the apps page of the ledgerwallet.com website, and I'm just downloading the Ripple Wallet software application, which I believe will be used to send the Ripple once I've bought it and transfer it onto this device. When you use your device, you may not be able to find the Ripple logo on your device, and when you use the Ledger Manager app on your laptop, which you need to download, you can download the Ripple wallet onto this device. Now the problem is sometimes it comes up with unable to install. If that does happen to you, just close Chrome and restart your computer. Once you've downloaded the Ripple wallet onto your device, you should see it appear as one of the symbols with Ripple next to it. So I've just bought some Bitcoin using the Coinbase app. The next thing to do now is to transfer that Bitcoin into a Binance account. I'm using Binance because it was one of the only sites available at the moment to actually be able to open an account. The next stage was to get my Bitcoin off Coinbase into Binance. Go to the deposits or withdrawals section of the Binance website. You then select the QR code, so it'll bring up a QR code. I opened that on the laptop, and then on my phone I opened Coinbase, went to the Bitcoin wallet, and then went to the arrow symbol in the top right, selected the arrow symbol, said use max, and I sent about £30 worth of Bitcoin. It then asks you to scan a QR code, so I scanned the QR code from the Binance website. It registered the code, and then it sent the transaction across, and it then registers as pending on Coinbase. I should be able to transfer that Bitcoin into Ripple on the Binance exchange. Just be aware, the more money you put into Coinbase, the more risk there is that you might not be able to get it out again. It's not as simple as it is to deposit. Notoriously, the support forums are particularly bad on these sites. When you're transferring the money to Binance, best if you move your Coinbase funds into the GDAX account. The GDAX is like a side account that's part of Coinbase. I think it's a trading exchange. You can log into gdax.com using your Coinbase account details. Once you're in there, you can then transfer funds from your Coinbase wallets, I believe free of charge, and then you can send those funds on to Binance and avoid most of the fees. I didn't do this, so I've paid around £9 in fees on a £30 transaction, so just a warning to you, probably best to use GDAX as an intermediary exchange and save yourself some money. So my Bitcoin has arrived into my Binance account, and the next step is to now convert that into Ripple. So I went to the exchange tab at the top of the Binance website. I then went onto the right hand side and searched for XRP, which is the 3-letter abbreviation for the Ripple currency. I then clicked on the pairing on the website, which then brought it up on a bottom screen. It then showed me what the maximum amount of Ripple that I could buy with the Bitcoin I'd put into my account. So if you use Binance's own currency to buy Ripple, you can save money on fees. The next stage is to withdraw on Binance. So if you go to the withdrawal tab next to the Ripple cryptocurrency in your wallet, which is basically a list of all currencies that they have on the site, put in a deposit address from your Nano S. So you obviously plug in your Ledger Nano S, take the copy and paste the deposit address into the withdrawal section of the Binance website. You process the transaction on Binance and keep your ledger connected to your computer, and eventually you'll see it appear in your Ripple wallet. Mine took around 10 minutes. So that's how to get Ripple onto your Ledger Nano S. There may be quicker ways of doing this in the future. I know you can convert US dollars straight into Ripple, but as I'm based in the UK, this was the easiest method I found. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, Savvy Man Reviews.